In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run outreach campaigns in Attio. To get started, head to the Attio homepage. Before we build anything, it helps to understand what an outreach campaign actually is. In Attio, an outreach campaign is a sequence of scheduled messages that helps you follow up with contacts in a consistent and organized way. Instead of sending every email manually, you can plan the touchpoints in advance and let Attio handle the timing. From the home page, go to Sequences. This is the area where you create and manage multi-step outreach flows. Sequences are useful when you want to send a first message, wait a certain amount of time, and then continue with follow-ups automatically. Once you're there, click New Sequence. After the sequence opens, rename it. In this example, name it Outreach Campaign, so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple campaigns for different audiences or goals. Now type in your first campaign message. This is your opening outreach step, so keep it clear and relevant to the recipient. After that, click Add Step to Sequence and set the waiting time to 3 days. This delay gives recipients time to read and respond before the next follow-up goes out. Next, type in your second outreach campaign message. When that's done, click Add Step to Sequence again, and this time set the delay to 7 business days. Using business days helps avoid sending follow-ups over weekends, which can improve timing and professionalism. Now type in your last outreach campaign message to complete the sequence. Once all steps are in place, click Publish Sequence, then click Confirm. After publishing, set your sending window from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and make sure weekends are excluded. This feature controls when messages can be sent, helping your outreach land during normal working hours. Then set your time zone so the sending schedule matches the timing you want recipients to experience. Next, enroll recipients. This is where you choose who should receive the sequence. Click Enroll Recipients to finalize that part. Once that's done, go to Workflows. Click New Workflow, then choose Record Created as the trigger. This means the workflow will automatically start whenever a new record is added. Choose People as the object, although you can also build a similar workflow for companies if needed. Now click the plus icon to add an action. Type in Enroll Sequence, then select Enroll in Sequence. This action automatically places new records into your outreach sequence. Choose Outreach Campaign, set Created Record,